They feel heavy, I still hold my ground. Feet in the mud, but my mind stays sound. Mama said, son, pain don't live forever. Even broken roads can lead you better. Man laugh loud when the bill come due. Funny how the truth wear old brown shoes. You can chase fast food and still stay hungry. You can own good clothes and still be ugly. So I walk slow, but I walk true. One good step can carry you through. If the sea get rough and the night get long, I keep my name, I keep my song. Lighthouse of redemption, guide me home again. Lighthouse of redemption, stand for me like a friend. When the tide run wild and the whole world shake, lighthouse of redemption, show me what to make. I seen proud men fold over little pride. Seen empty pockets with a rich man's smile. Seen one cold word start a family fire. Seen one kind deed if a man higher. Life got jokes, man, cruel and sweet. Sometimes you lose just to learn your feet. A belly full don't mean a soul is fed, and a sharp tongue can leave good love dead. So I breathe deep, let the hurt move on. Every scar can grow into a song. If the road get dark and the rain comes strong, I keep my name, I keep my song. Lighthouse of redemption, guide me home again. Lighthouse of redemption, stand for me like a friend. When the tide run wild and the whole world shake, lighthouse of redemption, show me what to make. If you need mercy, don't be too proud. Even the hardest heart can turn around. Your plan